Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about how to reduce the amount of dust in your home. Now, when you look at reducing the amount of dust in your home, the first areas you might want to consider are actually the exterior to your home. Keeping walkways and garages, keeping those swept and keeping those clean, keeping driveways and sidewalks and entrances to your home, keeping those swept and keeping those pressure washed and as clean as possible, and doing that periodically, it'll keep you from tracking a lot of that to the interior of the house. Now, depending on the conditions and the environment you live in, despite all the exterior cleaning that you can do and periodic maintenance you can do, you're still going to get dust. So the next best defense is actually in your return air filter. And as you look at this filter, this is actually a pleated, a high efficiency filter. And what this does, this is designed to actually collect a lot of the dust that may come into your house. So I would highly recommend using those pleated filters and changing those out every 2 to 3 months depending on your type of environment. Now, in particular times of the year, if it tends to be drier and dustier around the house, then you may actually want to keep your fan in an on position. What this will do is it will keep your fan on running, and it will keep circulating the area, and it will allow those high efficiency filters to draw more of that dust out of the air. And that's opposed as the auto position, where the fan only comes on if you're actually heating or cooling. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's some tips on how to reduce dust in your home.